Welcome to English AZ Simple Present Tense Part 2. Active voice. Plural subject. Plus. Present plural verb. Example. They work. Positive question. Do they work? Singular subject. Plus. Present singular verb. Example. He works. Positive question. Does he works? Positive word. People work here. Positive question. Do people work here? Negative. People don't work here. Negative question. Don't people work here? Singular. Positive word. He works here. Positive question. Does he work here? Negative. He doesn't work here. Negative question. Doesn't he work here? Passive voice. Structure. Object plus am or is or are plus past participle verb. Positive word. The house is cleaned daily. Positive question. Is the house cleaned daily? Negative. The house is not cleaned daily. Negative question. Is the house not cleaned daily? Thank you for watching.